Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a cute and cozy winter cap for your baby aged 6 months to 1 year, you are going to love this video. Please watch the video till the end. To make this, we want two pieces of fabric with measurement length 16 inches and width 8 inches. We want another fabric to make frill with measurement 32 inches lengthwise and 3 inches widthwise. Take one of the fabric and keep the right side towards you. Fold the fabric which we have taken to make the frill. Keep it on the fabric and start doing frill. You can make all the frills together and secure it with beaded pins, then stitch it, or you can make the frills while stitching. Cut the extra fabric if you have. Now place another piece of fabric on this facing right side to each other and stitch all together. Here I have joined two fabrics. Now open it and again fold it. We can see the frills outside. Fold this again as I am doing in the video. Please make sure that all the four folds are aligned. Now give a curved shape and cut this portion. Open it again two times as I did in the video. We can see the joint side in between. Now fold it again and stitch the two sides. Here two sides are joined. Now turn the cloth. The cap is almost ready. Now we need to have one more fabric for chin strap with measurement 2 inch widthwise and 30 inches lengthwise. If you want, you can increase the length by 2 or 3 inches. Now fold this fabric and make a small cut in the center. Place the chin strap fabric piece on the cap so that the midpoint align each other. Make sure that the right side of both the fabric faces each other and stitch it. Here I have joined the cap and chin strap fabric. The extension of the strap is remaining, so we need to fold it like this and give a stitch on both the sides. After stitching the sides, we need to double fold the fabric and stitch it again. Please make sure that while folding, the raw edges should come inside the fold and should not be visible after stitching. Here our cute winter cap for baby aged 6 months to 1 year is ready. Even if you don't have sewing machine, you can do it by hand stitching. This is very easy to make and I hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please hit a like button, share it with your friends and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.